So this is real water. It is real water flowing.
Sikuni yirnero manoma Sogoti Complex Girls mabine yudore e chuny gode gweko mag Nyabondo nyaka sub county Kisumu County koro ne okwanyo were bang' ka migawo moro mok mar piny owacho Kenya Women Teachers Association kata Kewota koro ne ogonegi e tho kendo nochwalonegi tengni gweko mopogore opogore mago mag kano pi maler mar modho ka bende maendi obiro kolure koda midhiero mar pi maler mitiyogo mabende skulno ero osebedo kakalo e kanyakla koda jogweng' mabende odak e alwora maket kod mano mana kaka ileronwa koda Mikai Benta Opande jatatije maduong' e Kewota kono.
Today is a special day for us. We have come to visit Sogoti Girls, one of the largest schools in this constituency, and having been informed that they have almost 2,000 students, we felt that it is important that we support them in any way that we can. This is just the beginning. So what we do at Kewota, specifically concerning this project, is to provide water solutions.
E tok mare kod jofwambo Mikai Benta koro lero ni gichopo nade skunde mopogore opogore ayeto mago mabende neno midhiero gweko mag pi maler mar tiyogo kata mar modho.
But for schools like Sogoti Girls, we select schools which have real demand for water tanks or who have a real problem of water. As we know, Sogoti Girls is on a high altitude. Even when they pump water, the water doesn't reach them on time, and there is rationing. And you can imagine rationing water for 2,000 girls. It can cause a big problem in terms of even disease. So we felt that it's so important that we take this as one of our pet projects through our CSR program.
Kabende korka kore japuonj maduong' e skul ni Nero ma Sogoti mana Mikai Rose Madungu lero kendo pimo ni ande gintie koda midhiero machal nade kendo geko ma okalo chien.
Before the donation of the tank, our situation was worse. Girls could go for about 2 days without bathing. That's bathing. Their clothes would stay up to the weekend. Every time I left here to go out, they would say, she's going to look for water. I would be in school throughout. I would not go out to look for water because now we have the water tanks. We buy water. Before we would buy water, and we would not have, let's say, enough money. We would just buy water for drinking.
Kabende Mikai Rose Madungu koro lero niko tende koda jol maket kod maendi koro onge samar somo mabende koro nyithindo go bro ketho.
The coming of the tanks will really save us on time. It will make us manage our time well. The girls will not be waiting at the taps for so long to fetch. And therefore they would be in class in time, and the teachers would get them in time. Sometimes water used to delay our meals, sorry to say. When there's no water, the meals delay, and therefore class time is interrupted.
Korka kore jatatije maduong' e Kewota kono mana Mikai Benta Opande koro lero ni biro mar Tangi gi eki maket kod maendi kendo pi e skulno ero ma Sogoti biro nono ni weche gweko mag somo gin mago mabende koro ting' malo malich mokalo kendo rang'iny mar somo oidho e skulno ero kendo e gwenge gweko mago mag Sogoti.
Exactly. So I always tell people that provision of water is directly proportional to quality education and performance, because when the water is not available, especially for the teacher will have to take time to go look for the water, to take care of the family, then come to school. Then the teacher will waste a lot of man hours, and then it is the student who will suffer because they'll be left with homework or work to do minus supervision. So on the side of the teacher, it is very important that water is made available. On the side of the students, clean water is good for their health, is good for their cleanliness, and when water is available, we know that the children will be more healthier, attend class, and then everything goes back to quality education.
Kabende migawono ero mar Kewota sani koro lero ni gintie koda chenro mopogore opogore mabende siro jopuonje gweko mawakeni e pacho ka ndi mangima. Nekala TV Kowuok Sogoti Complex Girls e sub county ni Rim Manyakache Kisumu County An Justus Adoyo.